So, when I decided that I was going to take AP English, I didn't really know what to expect. I was basically only taking it because, oh, it's another AP course, and I feel I'm one of the top students in my class. I feel obliged to take it, like I have to take it. And I thought that it was going to be one of my harder classes, which it definitely is, especially because I really hate English. I just really do not like English at all. Another thing, the summer assignment didn't really help out with with my being kind of scared about it because of how hard I thought it was going to be. When he gave us a summer assignment, I had never seen or heard of any of the stuff on the summer assignment. So that really didn't help. And then once we actually started the summer assignment, I did it, and yeah, like I said before, I had no idea what any of it was. I never heard of it. I epically failed. But it's okay. I got back up from that. And once school started, I didn't really know what to expect. I had met Mr. Robinson once or twice before, and I knew he was like a really cool teacher and really great guy. So I knew I was really gonna like him, and I really do like him. But I don't like English, so I didn't know that was gonna work out. And now, it's one of my harder classes because it's English. I got the worst grade I've ever gotten on any class ever in this class. But maybe a good thing is I've learned how to accept failure. Sounds terrible, but it's very true. I worked so hard on the last paper we did. I worked so hard, tried so hard to get a good grade on it, do great, and I got an F on it, actual score, and I learned to accept it. I guess that's one thing English has done. Another thing is, yes, you can be scared about like the difficulty of the work, but it is not as much as you think. Like, okay, before, from all my past experiences in English classes, I thought that AP English 11A or whatever you want to call it was just going to be oh no, we're going to have to read a book in a couple less days and answer a couple less questions. No, because that's basically all you did up until this year was read books, answer questions, write papers, blah 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 blah. Now, especially through our first section, we took a lot of time reading one piece and really just analyzing it. That was our first section, or actually our second section, analyzing. There's rhetoric and analyzing and argumentation and all that good stuff. But it's you really have to change your mentality of thinking when it's hard to explain. You just have to change everything, really. You just really have to change everything. And I do recommend taking the class, though, because it'll be great for you. You'll learn how you don't just read and answer questions and read and answer questions. Yes, there is some of that, but then there's a lot of classroom discussion, which it really is great because it's a really interactive class. Mr. Robinson does a great job, although really, now that I think about it, he doesn't really do much. We talk more than he does sometimes, but that's all. It's whatever.